Hello and welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I will be creating 4 cards and all in the shades of the rainbow. Let's move on to the first card. For the first card I am using the color purple and I'm going to mix it up with a little bit of pink. First I'm going to start stenciling and I am just using some distress inks, not oxide inks, with my stencils. These are the masking stencils by Craft Angles, and for the first card I am using the masking stencil in the shape of a square, and I'm just doing a basic ombre effect between purple using wilted violet and pink using kitsch flamingo shades. Now I am going to peel off that stencil, which is the most satisfactory visual to me. But you can see that my ink has bleeded out a little. Not to worry, I'll just cover it up with a white marker. I'm going to give it a quick dry and then splatter some luxurious looking liquid stardust. It looks like liquid diamonds to me, and when you shine the card panel against the light, it gives a beautiful shimmering effect on your project. I don't intend to use the entire panel, so I am just die cutting out the inked area using a stitched square die. For the first purple card, I am just using some floral designs from Craft Angles Hello Lovely stamp set. And I won't be doing any coloring. In fact, I won't be coloring for any of my projects today, but I'm rather going to use the technique called as silhouette stamping, wherein you just keep the image with the black lines and the background shines through the stamped image. For the base of my card, rather for a background of my inked image, I'm using an embossing folder by Simon Says Stamp. This is the floral field embossing folder. Since I have a floral design right in front of me, I am going to also use a floral design embossing folder. You see, it looks so pretty. It looks like daisies in the background, and I really love that effect. For the card base, I am using a matching purple colored cardstock. Now, while building up the card, I could see that this purple is a little lighter than the purple on my inked piece of cardstock. So, what I decided, just ink it up on the edges and nobody would know because the center would be covered up by the embossed cardstock. So there you see, nobody knows that the cardstock's original color is something of a light lilac, and it matches up exactly with the inked panel. Now I'm mounting my inked panel on some foam tape, and for my sentiment, I'm just keeping it very simple. I'm going for a black sentiment, white text on black. I'm using the sentiment sheet by Craft Angles. This is the Love Sentiment 1 sheet, and oh my, I love these sheets. It makes adding sentiments to my project so easy. So in one pack there are 2 colors. There is white on black as well as black on white, the usual. I went for black on white because the white was starkly different from the white of my cardstock. So I would have preferred using white on white background and black text, but I went with black background with white text. I've had some I think lilac colored iridescent sequins, and I'm using my glitter brush pen by Stella for my floral image. And that's it. That completes the first purple card for today. The remaining cards also have a very, very, very similar process. So I'm not going to bore you through more of my voiceovers. All of the products used, you can see it on the screen of the video on your screen. And you can find a link down below in the description which leads you up to the blog which has more information of the products that I have used. So enjoy the process, have fun, guys. And that is the last card for today. I'm just adding the final touches with some gold sequins and my glitter brush pen like I did for all the remaining three cards. I hope you like this process. I think I love the effect of embossing on white and then the look of white on white. And I'm really proud of whatever I made today. It was very simple and easy, did not take me much time, especially the sentiments from the sentiment sheet of craft angles helped me a lot to fasten the process. If you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you do use this method, don't forget to tag me. My Instagram is sketchy.school. Have fun, guys. Bye bye.